my name is Glamour Ellen. If you're new here, welcome to my channel, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. To all my new subscribers, thank you guys so much for subscribing to my channel and watch my video. Everyone, in today's video, I am hosting an open collaboration for my birthday in a Hollywood glam tablescape and the glamorous $3 tablescape. So in this challenge, I challenge everyone who want to participate in my collaboration to style 2 table setting, the glamorous $3 tablescape and the Hollywood glam tablescape. To all my participants, thank you guys so much for joining me in my celebration for my birthday, and to my co-host Tammy of Glam Queen of DIY and Linda of Styled by Miss Linda, thank you guys so much for co-hosting with me in my birthday celebration. Alright, without further ado, let's get it started. My co-host on my birthday is Tammy of Glam Queen of DIY. She did co-host with me last year. And the second one is Linda of Styled by Miss Linda. After you watch my video, please go over to their channel and tell them I sent you. Over here, I'm styling the table number 1 in Hollywood Glam tablescape, and I made this one very simple. I just would like to showcase the very big centerpiece, and I hope you like it.
Sometimes I can't breathe, but it feels like you're the one who saves me. When I try but don't succeed, yeah, it feels like you're the one who saves me, the one who saves me.
I'm trying my best to hold on.
This glam stars right here, this is my mother-in-law gift to me on my birthday this year.
And the days don't work out the way I thought they would. And before you there was no one who understood.
Sometimes I can't see, but it feels like
Hey guys, welcome to my Hollywood Glam Tablescape 2021, and I hope you like it.
don't succeed. Yeah, it feels like you're the one who saves me, the one who saves me. No, I can't get enough of what you do.
I'll give you my everything. It's not much, but it's all I have.
You know we could run to a place where we belong, but I need you there with me to go on. Sometimes I can't see, but it feels like you're the one who saves me. And when I try but don't succeed, yeah, it feels like you're the one who saves me, the one who saves me.
Thank you, Lord, for giving me 46 years of existence and celebrating my birthday today. To all of you there who watching my video, thank you so much for watching and celebrate my birthday with me. And also all the participants.
And to all my subscribers and my friends here in YouTube, thank you guys so much.
Living on the far side of town.
And to my family back home in the Philippines, even though I'm very far away, I think about you all the time. And Mom, thank you so much for giving me life, and I miss you. And also my two brothers, and all my cousins, and all my friends over there.
Have you ever felt you're missing the dream? Have you ever wished your life was like the movie on the screen? Filled with heartbreaks and fights through Hollywood nights. Making up a bar queen on the phone. In the great big boulevard, the place she belongs.
Hi everyone, let's make a toast.
It's just another
Happy 46th birthday to me, and thank you guys so much for participating in my celebration on my open collaboration for my birthday. Cheers!
was like the movie on the screen. Filled with heartbreak.
Hey guys, welcome to my bar chart featuring Marilyn Monroe and Elvis Presley. So I have a cake here which is chocolate, and I have 7 candles because my lucky number is 7. I have my first flower, pink roses because my favorite color is pink. And alright guys, let's go to my Hollywood Glam Tablescape featuring Marilyn Monroe.
Here is the remake of my Hollywood Glam Tablescape featuring Marilyn Monroe.
Living on the far side of town. Sharing a dream.
Shout out to Aunt Lisa for letting me borrow her plate to be in this tablescape.
Through heaven, she's made it through hell. It's just another story to tell. Have you ever felt you're missing the dream? Have you ever wished your life was like the movie on the screen? Filled with heartbreaks and fights through Hollywood nights. Making up a bar queen on the phone. In the great big boulevard, the place she belongs. It's just another story she tells. Have you ever felt you're missing the dream? Have you ever wished your life was like the movie on the screen? Filled with heartbreaks and fights through Hollywood nights. Through Hollywood nights. Through Hollywood nights. Hey, where have you been? I've been looking for you now and then. Someone just like you, who can make me feel the way you do. 'Cause if I'm the ocean, you're the rain. We only need each other, baby, you know we're the same. Let's let's run.
And here is my Glamourous $3 tablescape. So I decided to style a little bit of fall in the color of black and gold.
We don't need no one else than each other. You and me, you and me. We could run, run away. You and me together, baby, we don't gotta stay. Let's lose our minds. We could go crazy and leave it all behind. It could be glorious, 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 glorious. It could be glorious, 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 glorious. Say what you feel. I don't even know if this is real. How can you like me? You're as close to perfect as anyone can be. You and me, you and me. We don't need no one else than each other. You and me, you and me. We could run, run away. You and me together, baby, we don't gotta stay. We don't have to stay. Let's lose our minds. We could go crazy and leave it all behind. It could be glorious, 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 glorious. It could be glorious.
Hey everyone, welcome to my Glamourous $3 tablescape in the color of black and gold. I hope you like it.
Cause if I'm the ocean, you're the rain. We only need each other, baby, you know we're the same. It could be glorious, 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 glorious. It could be glorious, 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 glorious. Did you ever stop and think, why spend too much time just getting ready? Let me be
Please don't forget to stop by to my co-host Tammy of Glam Queen of DIY, Linda of Styled by Miss Linda. Their link will be in my description box along with the playlist. Also guys, don't forget to check the playlist with all the participants on my birthday collaboration, and I know you will get some ideas and inspiration over there.
this time, girl, I know what's bothering me. I need somebody to love. Oh.
Again, to all the participants, thank you guys so much for joining me celebrating my 46th birthday.
I don't know what I could say to convince you to hang around when you don't have to. There's so much that I'm still keeping my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting.
Let me know what you think about my tablescape ideas on Hollywood Glam and Dollar Tree tablescape. And if you like this video, I hope you consider subscribing to my channel. Hit the bell twice so every time I upload videos, you will be notified. Thank you guys so much for watching and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye everyone. Be safe.